Welcome to RoboForm for Business, your all-in-one password management solution designed to make your workplace faster, more secure, and more productive. In this webinar, I'll walk you through some key features of RoboForm for Business and show how it helps tackle some of the biggest challenges companies face with password management today. So why RoboForm for Business? Well, the truth is, companies everywhere are stuck in a password crisis. Employees are required to use long, complex, unique passwords for every application or system. But let's be honest, no one can remember all of them. In fact, the average employee logs into at least a dozen different portals every day. That often leads to forgotten passwords, help desk tickets, and wasted time. Did you know that about 30% of all tech support calls are password reset related? That's not just frustrating, it's expensive, and it puts your company at risk when employees try to bypass security practices just to get through their day. That's where RoboForm for Business comes in. RoboForm provides a full, secure, and automated solution for managing passwords. It handles password generation, storage, entry, and even secure sharing, all in one easy-to-use platform. Let's start by looking at password generation. In my browser, I'll click the RoboForm extension and choose Generate. Here, I can set my preferences. Let's say I want a 25-character password that uses uppercase letters and numbers, but no symbols. I simply check the boxes and click Generate, and just like that, I have a secure, unique password ready to use. I can now insert it directly into any sign-up or password change form. Next, let's look at how RoboForm captures logins. Whenever I sign into a site, like LinkedIn for example, RoboForm prompts me to save the credentials I've just entered. The next time I visit that site, I'll be able to log in with a single click, but I can also add logins manually. From the RoboForm start page, I click the blue plus icon to create a new login. There are templates for popular sites, or I can create a custom login just by entering the site's URL and my credentials. Now let's talk about 2FA. RoboForm includes a built-in TOTP authenticator, so it can handle two-factor authentication automatically. When 2FA is enabled for a login, RoboForm takes care of entering the one-time code when I sign in. And if the login is shared with others, the 2FA code is shared too, securely of course. It doesn't stop with web logins. RoboForm also supports local application logins, like remote desktop, so you can enjoy the same seamless sign-in experience across desktop apps as well. Next up, RoboForm identities. These are digital profiles that store names, phone numbers, addresses, even business info. Let's say I'm filling out a shipping form on Amazon. I just click to select my identity, and RoboForm fills in the entire form for me, instantly. You can also store sensitive information in safe notes, things like sign-in instructions, access codes, or internal procedures. These are encrypted with a AES 256-bit encryption, and your master password is the only key. RoboForm never stores your master password on its servers, and all encryption happens locally, meaning only you can access your data. Need access on the go? No problem. RoboForm's mobile app gives you secure access to all your data wherever you are. Now let's take a look at what makes RoboForm for Business such a powerful tool for admins. With the admin console, you can easily onboard employees, assign data, manage permissions, set policies, and view audit logs, all from one place. You can add new users manually by entering their name and email. They'll receive an invitation with setup instructions. Or, if the employee already has a RoboForm account, you can simply invite them to join the company. If you're onboarding a large number of users, there are two great options. The first is integration with your identity provider or Active Directory. Skim Sync lets you pull in users and groups automatically. With SSO integration, users sign into RoboForm through your company's IDP. Or use our AD connector to sync users directly from your local Active Directory. The second option is a CSV import. Just prepare a file with your users' names and email addresses, then upload it. Quick and easy. Once users are onboarded, you can click on a user's profile to view their group memberships, assign data, access history, and more. You can even edit their details or manage their licenses. And if you need more licenses, you can buy them anytime directly from the dashboard. Let's talk about groups. Groups allow you to organize your RoboForm data and control who has access to what. When you create a group, you'll set two key permissions. Storage type, either server only for online only access, or synced, so users can access data offline too. Usage permission is either limited, where users can only use credentials without seeing them, or regular, where they can view, edit, and add new data. You can assign group managers too. They have admin-level access within the group and can manage users, permissions, and policies. To add data to a group, go to the Data tab, select what you want to share, and click Add to Group. It's that simple. Let's move on to policies. With RoboForm, you can control nearly every aspect of employee usage through customizable policies. There are 3 categories: security and access. Set password complexity requirements, enforce 2FA, restrict IP access, and more. RoboForm data. Decide what types of data employees can create, export, or share. User settings. Configure features like autofill, autosave, domain equivalence, blacklists, and whitelists. Policies can be applied company-wide or targeted to specific groups. So if one department handles more sensitive credentials, you can enforce stricter controls just for them. Last but not least, the Reports tab. This is where you can monitor user activity and password health. RoboForm assigns each user a security score based on their password strength, reuse, and 2FA status. You can see the company-wide average, drill into individual user reports, and export the data at any time. Need insight on how to improve security? Click on any insight, and RoboForm will highlight which users need attention. And that's it. You're now ready to start using RoboForm for Business. To learn more, check out our documentation and support center, or reach out to our team if you need help. Thanks for watching, and welcome to simpler, safer password management with RoboForm for Business.